Good morning. I'm Sid Ronald. I'm going to present education technology visualization strategies. Now, the topic which I'm going to discuss is called sequence and number pattern. The keywords I'm having are sequences, and the next one is number pattern. Definitions. A sequence. Someone can define a sequence as an ordered set of numbers or objects that follow a specific rule or pattern. Another one can say a set of related events, movements, or items that follow each other in a particular order. Then another one can say a sequence is an arranged in a particular order, or a sequence can be defined as a set of related events, movements, or items that follow each other in a particular order. For a number pattern is a sequence. So from sequence, we can form a number pattern. So number pattern is a sequence of numbers that repeat themselves, as we are going to see. Number patterns can be defined as the patterns in which a list of numbers are following a certain sequence. Now, visualization strategies of number one, let's say sequence. A sequence. Now, if learner looks at this picture, it's having a flower which is red and another one which is yellow. So the flowers are making a sequence as a yellow comes after the red. So once you see something like this, there is repeated flowers in a certain sequence. The first one is red, yellow, red, yellow, red. Now, if someone asks a learner which flower is going to be the next, looking through the back, looking through how they are arranged, someone can easily notice that the next flower, according to the arrangement, is going to be yellow. So that is commonly found in our environment, whereby you can sometimes find flowers arranged in sequence, and those sequence, once someone tells you, or if you look at where they stop, you can identify easily that the next flower would be this, or the next plantation could be this. Now, the next one is, if you look at the carpet, it's having its design, but the design was, if someone is to ask, how was it designed? You're seeing there are some repeated designs. From black, they go to, if you move like this, horizontally, from black, they go to I'm going to call it gray. If not gray, yes, it is gray. So from the black, this one, they go to this one, which is gray, then black, gray. So if someone asks a learner which color would be the next one, it's going to easily identify from what the learner is saying from the beginning. The learner can easily identify that after the black, they went to gray, After gray, black. Then after black, gray. That means after gray, there will be a black color. Now, if you look at these ones, especially the first one, when I try to zoom it, this one, someone can easily get to know that the colors are arranged. This is a sequence whereby from this they went to a certain white. Then from white there are some colors, white colors, and even those colors, they are also in sequence whereby they are arranged in a repeated way whereby learner can easily identify. Now coming down, it is the same. Going down, this is like a carpet. Coming here, you're seeing the sequence. Someone can easily identify from this color they went to this one. From this color they went to this one. From this color they went to this one. So it is a sequence which makes a number pattern. So that is also a visualization strategy. Look at the sweater. There is red, green, yellow. From there, red, green, yellow. Red, green, yellow. So if it's like someone asking a learner if the design was to continue, or if they were to continue making the sweater, which colors would be the next one? Someone can just say, they starting from the beginning, red, green, yellow, red, green, yellow, red, green, yellow. So it could be red, green, yellow. Is identifying. Same applies to the shoes. Now, number pattern. From after knowing the sequence, you can easily identify the number pattern after knowing the sequence. For this one, spot the pattern and then fill in the missing patterns. Finish off the next two phases in the pattern. Now, the student is going to first see the first face is having the eyes and the mouth. The next one is having the eyes and the mouth, which is closed. Then the next one is having the eyes, the mouth, which is opened. Eyes, mouth, which is closed. Eyes, mouth, which is open. Eyes, which is with a mouth, which is open. So he's going to just recognize that. How come? What is missing in this one? The student will easily identify that if this is having the mouth which is closed, another one is open. This one is going to be having the mouth which is closed. In example 2, someone's having 1, 2, 3, 4, and then 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. This will take us to the second definition, or it was the third one, which could say a sequence or number pattern is a range of repeated numbers. You're seeing 1, 2, 3, 4, then 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. So someone will just identify that that means from 4, I go back to 1, 2, 3, 4. A learner can easily identify that. For number 3, it's having shade elastic 2 shapes to finish the pattern. The first one is a square, the next is a circle, and then a circle. Square, circle, circle. Square, circle, and then square. But again, there are some colors. The squares are blue, the next circle is yellow, and then red. So the student could easily identify that from a square which is blue, I go to yellow circle, then red. From square, this is square which is blue, yellow, red, blue, like that. So that is the procedures which that learner will use to complete all these, even the dice. The dice is 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. Easy, after identifying the sequence, what did they use? You can easily get to know what is the next. Now, next is patterns may be sequenced in many ways, like these ones. I'm having the triangle, square, and the pentagon. Triangle, square, pentagon. Triangle, square, pentagon. So just saying, mentioning the names, you can easily get to know what is the next one. That is a number pattern. Number pattern is formed by a sequence. Sequence is the one, the arrangement. So I'm having triangle, square, pentagon. Triangle, square, pentagon. Triangle, square, pentagon. If they tell me what is the next, I can easily say triangle, square, pentagon by drawing them. The next one is the same, triangle, square, pentagon. But now the colors change. When the colors change, we also change. So I go to this one. There is +2. +2 is the formula. +2 is the formula. What is the formula? It's the one which they use to get the next sequence. Like here, the next one, the formula could be the design. But now, this one, the 1, 2, 3, 4, the fifth exam, there is +2, whereby someone's going to say, from 2, I'm going to add a 2 to get 4. From 4, I added 2 to get 6. From 6, I added 2. That means if someone asks a student, what is the next number in the sequence? The student will easily identify that from 14, they are going to add 2 to get the next one. They add 2 to get the next one. The same procedures getting the next one. Now, I'm having this one, the balls. It's the first ball. I'm having the next one, they are 3. Next ones, they are 5. Next one, they are 7. They are 7. So, you're seeing what is the difference? Or the student is going to first ask his or herself that what is the difference between the next from the first? So there is addition here of 2 balls. From moving up to here, there is addition of another 2. From these ones, they are 3. These are 5. So if this is 1, my 1 is here. There is addition of 2. If these are 3, my 3 are here. There is these ones 2. If these are 5, my 5 are here. Then there is addition of 2. That means to go to the next, the next number of football, I'm going to just add 2, 2, 2, 2, because it is what they have been doing. Now, these are patterns in our life. So we're having, sometimes you find tiles, like these ones, tiles. These are all tiles. Not only tiles, but you can find it like a carpet, curtains, so which are designed in different types of number patterns or sequence. You see black, white, black, white, black, white. Carpets. Tiles, there is this one which is orange, like orange, red, orange, red, orange, red. It is a sequence. So someone can use sequence, can get to know that sequences are arranged in some order from this to this. See, there is or sometimes even the clothes which we wear. There is especially like mine here. I'm having here it is black. The next one is going to be red. Then from red to went to black. So that is also a sequence. Now, next is my last example is going to be is going to be this one. Now this is times 2 to get the number pattern. So from the first one, you multiply by 2 times 2. 2 times 1, 2. 2 times 2, 4. 2 times 3, 6. So you just get the counting numbers 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. You go on multiplying by 2, by 2, by 2, by 2 to get the next number in the sequence. Now, what is my sequence? The sequence is going to be 2, 4, 5, 6, 7. 2, 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12. Making number pattern which is going to be plus 2 to get the next number in the sequence. So that has been my presentation for visualization strategies. I stay on at HC2. Thank you.